In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your history on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Tap at that gear to open up settings, and then just scroll down until you find activity log just underneath your activity. If we get into activity log, we'll be able to check our entire history on Facebook. We can expand your posts to check our posts. Let's say I want to see my posts which includes photos and videos, so I can just tap right here and it will show me my posts with the photos and videos. Also right there I can check all the interactions I made. Let's say I can tap at comments to see all my comments on Facebook I've ever made. I can tap at likes and reactions to see my likes and reactions. If we want to see our search and watch history, right from here we need to scroll down to the very bottom and then expand logged actions and other activity. That's where we can find our search history and our watch history. So I can get in the search history and it will show me all my recent searches. I can scroll down to see them all, and let's say I want to remove some search from that list. To do that, I'll tap at three dots and tap at delete. That's how you can easily check your Facebook history.